If your Steam game is crashing, missing textures, or showing a disk write error, one of the fastest and safest fixes is to verify the integrity of the game files. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, what Steam is checking in the background, what to expect during the scan, and what to do if the verify button is grayed out. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming fixes and Steam guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Steam and go to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed. On the left side, find the game that's giving you problems and right-click it. From the menu that appears, click Properties. This will open the settings window for that specific game. Now look at the left-hand sidebar in the Properties window and click Installed Files. This is the section where Steam keeps the tools for checking your game installation. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that button to start the process. At this point, Steam begins scanning your game files. What it's really doing is comparing every file on your computer against the official version stored on Steam's servers. It checks the files one by one and calculates what's called a checksum to make sure everything matches exactly. If a file doesn't match, Steam marks it as damaged or missing. If Steam finds a problem, don't worry. It won't reinstall the entire game. Instead, it only re-downloads the specific files that are broken, missing, or changed. That means this is usually much faster and less frustrating than uninstalling and reinstalling everything from scratch. While the scan is running, you'll see a progress bar. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drive, this may finish very quickly or take a while. Smaller games on an SSD can take just a couple of minutes, but larger games on an HDD can take much longer. If you're verifying a huge title like a modern AAA game, be prepared for the process to take a good amount of time. Also keep in mind that verification can be very demanding on your system. Steam is using a lot of disk activity and some CPU power while it checks files, so it's a good idea to avoid running other heavy programs at the same time. If you're recording, streaming, or copying large files in the background, that can slow the process down even more. Sometimes after verification finishes, you might see a message saying one file failed to validate. That does not always mean something is seriously wrong. A lot of Steam games create small local configuration files that change as you play, and Steam may skip or replace those differently. In many cases, this is completely normal and not something to panic about. Once the scan is complete, Steam will automatically download any files that need to be replaced. After that, launch the game again and test it. In many cases, this simple step fixes crashes, stuttering, missing textures, launch errors, and other weird issues without any extra troubleshooting. Now, if the verify button is grayed out and you can't click it, there are a few things to check. First, make sure the game is not currently downloading or updating. Steam usually won't let you verify a game while an update is in progress, so pause the update if needed. Next, make sure the game is fully closed. Sometimes a game is still running in the background even after you exit it. So if you're not sure, open Task Manager and check there. End the process if it's still active, then go back to Steam and try again. If it still won't work, restart Steam and if needed, run it as an administrator. That can clear up permission issues and allow the verify option to work properly. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the problem and let you continue. So, to recap, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, open Properties, select Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then let Steam scan, replace any damaged files, and test the game again. It's one of the simplest and most effective troubleshooting steps you can use on Steam. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials, Steam fixes, and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.